Hi dear students, how are you all? Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about the Unit 7 Coastal Plains and Islands. Okay, so dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn about the location of the coastal plains, divisions of the coastal plains, importance of the coastal plains, lifestyle in the coastal plains, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands. So we are going to learn about these concepts. Okay, understood? Students, we can see some keywords from in this unit. Okay, we can see one by one. First one, coastal plains. Second one, Lakshadweep, Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, petroleum, Arabian Sea, Panaji, backwater, Onam festival, boat race, occupation, plantation. Next, Dandiya dance, Coromandel coast, Malayalam, pilgrimage, Puducherry, divisions, beaches, Gulf of Kutch, tourism, rubber, coconuts, situated, Malabar coast, lighthouse, Greenland. So dear students, these are the keywords from in this unit. Okay. Dear students, see this map clearly. See here, this is India map. Okay. So here we know already this is the North India, north area of India, then this is the South India. Okay, see this is okay. Next here, see this line is green color, you know. So this is the coastal line. Okay, see this is the west coastal line. West coastal line. It starts from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, west coastal line. Okay, next this is the east. It start from West Bengal to Kanyakumari. Okay, understood? This is the western coastal line, this is the eastern coastal line. See, this is the direction of this coastal line. See, both this west and east, it join the south. That area is Kanyakumari. Okay. Dear students, we can see one by one. Coastal plains. The coastal plains are located in southern part of India. They are divided into the western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. These plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal, covering a coastal of approximately 6,000 km. The two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Okay, we can see on map. See here, dear students, we know already this is the western coastal plains, this is the eastern coastal plain. Okay, then this coastal plain 6,000 kilometer. How many kilometer? 6,000 kilometer. It start from Gujarat state. See, this is G, this is Gujarat. It start from Gujarat state to and up to West Bengal. See, WC, West Bengal. This is the West Bengal. Okay, then this western and eastern coastal line, its joints are meet at Kanyakumari. See here, this is the Kanyakumari. Understood? Next, dear students, we can see one by one. So we know already there are two coastal plains. First one is western coastal plains, second one is eastern coastal plains. So we can see now, first one, western coastal plains. We can see what are the importance, what is the specialty about this. We can see, okay. See here, the western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. These plains stretch from Gujarat to Kerala. These plains cover the western part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The average width of the western coast is 65 km. The western coastal plains are divided into 3 parts. So dear students, see here, these western coastal plains are located between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. We can see here, see on the map. See here, this is the Arabian Sea. Okay, this is Western Ghats. These western coastal plains are located in Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Understood? Then, these western coastal plains stretch from Gujarat to Kerala. See, Kerala is located here. Here. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. Okay. Then, so many states are located in this area. For example, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. So, these are the states located in western coastal plains. Okay. We can see what are the parts of western coastal plains. First one is the Gujarat coast. This lies in the north. It is the widest between the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Kabad. So dear students, this is located in Gujarat state and it lies in the north. We know already the Gujarat state is located in north. Then it is the widest between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Kabad. So we can see on the map. See dear students here. See all of you. This is the Gulf of Kutch. Okay. Here it's coming Gulf of Kutch. Okay. See this Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Kabad. So it's located here. Then we know already the Gujarat state is important because this western coastline it starts from this state. Okay. And next one is the Konkan coast. This lies to the south of the Gujarat coast and extends up to Goa. This region is rich in petroleum deposits. The biggest port of Mumbai lies on this coast. See dear students, next part is the Konkan coast. See here, it starts from Gujarat south, means this area. It starts from here to here. Mumbai is located here. Okay. Then, what is the specialty about Konkan coast? So, this Konkan coast lies to the south of Gujarat. See here, Gujarat state here is south of here. This area. Okay. Then, next, this area is extend from up to Goa. See here, Goa is located here. Okay, here. Gujarat to Goa. Then this area is rich in petroleum. So we know already so many petroleum ports are located here. Then we know already because Mumbai is the biggest port of India. Okay, so it is the biggest port of India. Then here so many lighthouses are located here. See here in this area, western coastal plain, in this area so many lighthouses are located here. Okay. And next and last one, the Malabar coast. This lies to the south of Konkan coast and extends up to Kerala. It is well known for lagoons or backwaters. A lagoon is a shallow saltwater lake separated from the sea by an area of rock or sand. See dear students, here they gave one image also. This is the lagoon along the Malabar coast. We know already it's start from Goa to Kerala. Okay. We know already our state Karnataka also. It's located in western coastal line. Okay. Understood?